I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to edit on Vegas, step by step. First, let's get your project set up. Open Vegas and navigate to the File menu, then select New to begin. Next, choose your desired video resolution and frame rate settings for your project. Finally, import all your media files by simply dragging them into the project media window. This prepares everything for your creative editing journey. Now that your media is imported, let's tackle basic editing. Drag your desired media from the project media window directly onto the timeline to create video events. To shorten or lengthen a clip, simply click and drag the edges of the event on the timeline. You can also easily rearrange clips by clicking and dragging them to new positions, ensuring your story flows perfectly. To make your video more dynamic, let's add some flair with effects and transitions. Navigate to the Video FX tab and drag your chosen effect directly onto a clip on the timeline. For smooth scene changes, go to the Transitions tab and drag a transition between two clips. Remember, you can fine-tune all effect and transition properties in the Video Event FX window for a polished look. Finally, let's refine your audio and export your masterpiece. Adjust audio levels by dragging the thin volume line directly on your audio track. You can also apply various audio effects from the Audio FX tab to enhance sound quality. Once everything is perfect, go to the File menu and select Render as to export your finished video in your preferred format, ready to share with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.